Happy day everyone, this is Sahitya of first year BSc ITB and I'm here to talk few words regarding Kargil Day, and I'm also cheerful to be a part of this competition which is held at KGK. You would all notice me telling happy day, and as you all know, everyone are happy today, living peacefully, but not actual peace, but somewhat peacefully, right? Because in the border, thousands and thousands of soldiers fighting for us to be peaceful, and we are all grateful for that, right? And for thanking all those soldiers, this Kargil Day is celebrated, and I'll tell you what is the actual meaning and why this Kargil Day is celebrated. Kargil was resulted in the loss of both the side and India regained control when we ejected Pakistani out of the territory. Honor the Kargil War's real heroes.
Kargil War was also known as Kargil Conflict, was an armed conflict fought between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and everywhere else along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to an Operation Vijay, which means victory, which was the name of the Indian military operation to clear out the Kargil sector. The Indian Army Force role in acting jointly with Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed at Florida. The Indian Air Force role in acting jointly with Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed at flushing out regular and irregular troops of Pakistan Army from vacated Indian positions along the LOC. This particular operation was given the code name Operation Safer Sagar, which means the White Sea. From 3rd May to 26 July 1999, 2 months, 3 weeks and 2 days was longer, which took place at Kargil district, Jammu and Kashmir, now known as Ladakh, India. And in that war, the victory was India's. India regained possession of Kargil, which were 30,000 soldiers and 527 were killed, 1,363 were wounded, and one fighter jet shot down, one fighter jet crushed, one helicopter shot down. Pakistani claims 1,600 claimed as Musharraf. The cause of the war was integration Pakistani troops distinguished as Kashmir militaries into possession on Indian side of LOC, which serves as a debargaining border between the two states in Kashmir. During the initial stage of the war, Pakistani blamed the fight entirely on independent Kashmir East again, but documents left behind by Cosland and later statements by Pakistani's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed the involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces led by Assembly Musharraf. The Indian Army, later supported by the Indian Air Force, recaptured a majority of positions on the Indian side of the LOC. Facing international diplomatic opposition, Pakistani force withdrew from remaining Indian positions along the LOC. The war is the most recent example of high aptitude in mountain terrains and as such has posed significant logical problems of the combined sides. It is also the sole instance of direct Pakistan, which has been developing its nuclear capacity in secret since around the same time, conducted its first known test in 1998, just 2 weeks after a second series of tests by India.
Thank you. Signing off from Sahitya Devi, BSc ITB, and I thank every teachers and management for giving me the opportunity to speak few words regarding Kargil Day, and I'm proud to be the participant of this function. Thank you.